The issue with the solar light is that this part here that the battery connects to, on the other side, the pieces here, there's small steel tabs that come out on each end and they rusted out. The remaining parts of those tabs are still soldered in, so what we have to do here is I'm going to solder a copper wire onto the steel plate on each side where those tabs used to be, and then I'm going to simply solder it into the board, solder those copper wires into the board, and that should hopefully fix the light. Oh, too much came out. Damn it. There it is. Got the wires on there. This other one didn't go in the right spot, so just going to bend it out of the way. Like that. Now once we get it in there, we can cut them because they're probably a little too long. So I'm assuming they're at the same length as this piece here, this support piece in the middle. I'm going to remove the old solder now from the circuit board. Got the repaired piece installed. You can see the copper wire sticking out the back and the soldered flux. Now I'm just going to simply solder them together, and then hopefully after that the light will work again. Because the problem the light had was obviously it doesn't work and it wasn't charging or anything, so it wasn't coming on at night. And then when I opened it, I found out this plate's all rusted out. So hopefully this will fix it. There we go. Now we'll see if it works. I reinserted the pieces, put in a charged battery, and as you can see, the light's working again. So the repair was successful. So there you go. If you're having a problem with your solar lights, and these lights have a lot of problems, then maybe you have the same problem and you can do what I did to fix it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.